So to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu, just scroll down below and search for 9 News. I think it's at the top. So guys, let's see. Okay, so there's it. So just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then you tap on the app info. Then after that, tap on store notification. Make sure the show notification is staggered on. Go back, tap on the first tab, then tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. So as you can see, we have a location over here, so allow the location. Now go back, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache, then go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is still good on. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So let's go to our Google Play Store. Then make sure you have the latest update of this app. So after doing this, what you have to do lastly is to tap on your power button for some while, and you're going to see restart. So tap on the restart on other devices, you're going to see reboot. It's all the same. So if you can't find restarted reboot, just turn off your phone, then you turn it on again, and it's going to be the same way, like it's the same process. So this is how to fix this problem. See you in the next one.